Yeah, still swimming. Yeah, 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 yeah. They said drain a dream, put a lock on the gate. Budget cuts, co-stands, sorry too late. Kids with the towel still showed up in the rain. Whole town rally like a championship game. Moms at the meetings, dads working overtime. Signatures stacking up line after line. Apple Valley voices got louder than the doubt. Funny how a whisper turn a whole thing around. See the old paint chipping cracks in the lane rope, but memories flow forever, that was the main hope. First dots, first dates, first summers in the heat. Generations learn survival in the deep end streets. They tried to close the curtain on a hometown classic, but people stood tall, made civic action magic. Not a blueprint, bigger, cleaner, built to inspire. Phoenix at the water, whole pool came back fire. Still swimming, still winning. Thought it was gone, but the heart kept beating. Apple Valley rose when the people all spoke. Now the light shine bright and the whole town knows. Build back bigger, build back better. Storm came through, but we tougher together. From the shallow end dreams to the deep end vision, this pool still living, cause the people wouldn't listen. Yeah, cannonball energy, splash on the system. City Hall learn what community wisdom is. Every kid laughing out, proof of the fight. Blue water glowing underneath summer night lights. Concrete fresh, new lanes cut precise. Snack bar buzzing, everybody feeling alive. Grandparents smiling like I remember back when. Now they bring the grandkids right back in again. That's legacy talk, not a temporary trend. When the town stand united, that story never ends. See, money builds walls, but belief build momentum. People link arms and the whole place reinvented. From almost gone to the crown of the valley. Every fundraiser night turn another key rally. Now the whistle blow loud in the crowd, he walk proud. Apple Valley made waves and they say it out loud. Still swimming, still winning. Thought it was gone, but the heart kept beating. Apple Valley rose when the people all spoke. Now the light shine bright and the whole town knows. Built back bigger, built back better. Storm came through, but we tougher together. From the shallow end dreams to the deep end vision, this pool still living, cause the people wouldn't listen. They tried to shut it down, now it's legend instead. Whole town dug for it, never drown in the dread. Apple Valley water got resilience in the waves. When the people stand together, you can't bury what they say.